Your HVAC system works hard year-round, through Georgia's hot, humid summers and chilly winters. But without regular maintenance, even a great system can break down when you need it most. At Vining Heating and Air, we offer professional HVAC tune-ups for homeowners across South Metro Atlanta, from Locust Grove and McDonough to Stockbridge, Hampton, Conyers, and beyond. Our second-generation family team performs comprehensive seasonal inspections, cleaning coils, checking refrigerant levels, testing electrical connections, clearing drain lines, and making sure every part of your system is ready for peak demand. The result? Fewer emergency breakdowns, lower energy bills, and a system that lasts longer. We recommend a tune-up twice a year, once in the spring before cooling season, and once in the fall before the heat kicks on. Maintenance is always cheaper than repairs, and a lot cheaper than a full replacement. Don't wait for something to go wrong. Call Vining Heating and Air today at 678-759-2685 and schedule your HVAC tune-up.